Did you miss Notcoin? I'm sure you don't want to miss Tapswap. Hi guys, welcome to this video. Here I'll teach you how to join Tapswap and how to get the most out of it. Alright, stay with me. So the first thing you want to do if you are not a Tapswap user already is click on the link on the description to join Tapswap. It's a Telegram link, so it's going to take you right here to Telegram. Yes, this is Telegram. This is the Telegram bot. So it's going to take you right here to Telegram. You can see something like this. It's going to take you here. So when you click on start now, it's going to open the Tapswap bot. You can see here is the bot. So when you get to this page, you can see you can tap and get some coin. I'm going to walk you through the process of how to get as much as I got. Yes, I'm still very low. It's just 1.4 million naira. But I know some people are still struggling with 5,000 coins, 10,000 coins, 200,000 coins. And the funny thing is, I got this 1.4 million coin within the last 24 hours. I'm going to show you how to do this. So the first thing you want to do is click on task. Once you click on task, you can see there are some tasks it wants you to do, and it's going to give you some free coin when you perform this task. One of those tasks is join our socials. Once you click on join our socials, it's going to ask you to follow them on Twitter, which is X, and also join the Telegram group and join the Telegram channel. So once you complete those tasks, you come here and click on claim. Once you click on claim, you are going to get 200,000 tokens credited to your dashboard. The next thing you want to do is connect your Solana wallet. Yeah, I understand that you may not be so familiar with cryptocurrency, but I'm going to walk you through this process. So to connect your Solana wallet, what you want to do is come to App Store, search for Phantom Wallet. You can see this Phantom Crypto Wallet. Download it on your device. You can find it on Play Store and Apple App Store. So download it. After downloading it, click on Open. So when you click on Open, it's going to ask you to create a new wallet or import existing wallets. So if you don't have a wallet already on Phantom Wallet, you are going to click on create a new wallet. So when you click on create a new wallet, it's going to show you some key phrases that you want to save. It is important you save those key phrases somewhere where you know you are not going to lose them, because once you lose those key phrases, you are going to lose access into your accounts, which means if you have any coin on your Phantom wallet and you lose access to your Phantom wallet, those coins are gone forever. So you want to save those key phrases. Me, I saved mine on my Gmail draft because I know no matter what, I cannot lose my Gmail accounts. So you may also want to do that or save it somewhere safer. So once you've saved your key phrases of your Phantom wallet, you want to click on create. So once you create your Phantom wallet, you are going to get to a dashboard just like this one. So you are going to see Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polygon. So once you get to this point, just go back to your Telegram. Go back to the Telegram bot here with the Tapswap bot. Then click on Connect Solana Wallet. So you are going to see Connect here. I've already done it. You can see mission completed. That's why the Connect is not showing here. Click on open. Once you open, it's going to take you now to the Phantom wallet. Click on connect on Phantom wallet. Once you click on connect, once that's successfully connected, you come back here and click on claim. So when you click on claim, you are going to claim this 100,000 free token. So once you've done these two tasks, the next thing you want to do is come here on boost. So here on boost, you can see it says multi-tap, energy limits, and recharging speed. You can see my multi-tap level is level 10. That means when I tap, I get 10 plus tokens. For each tap I make, I get 10 tokens. But you that is starting now, you'll be getting maybe 1 token. So you want to upgrade this multi-task to maybe like level 8 or level 7. But I don't want you to use all your coin on that. So maybe you just upgrade to like level 6 also. Upgrade your energy limit also to maybe like level 4 or level 5. Also upgrade your recharging speed to maybe like level 3. Then the next thing you want to do is click on the tab bot. You can see this tab bot here. It says 200,000 token. Now what this tab bot does for you is that when you have a full energy, it's going to be tapping for you. You don't need to tap. So when you are sleeping, that tab bot is going to be tapping for you. So you want to buy that tab bot for 200 token. Once you buy that tab bot, whenever you have a full energy, is going to be tapping for you. So I'm going to show you the tab, but you see my energy is still coming up. So once it gets to 5,000, you can see the tab bot will start tapping for me. All right, so you can see the tab bot is now working for me because I have a full energy, 5,000 over 5,000. You can see it keeps tapping on it. So I'm not tapping anything, but 4 Tapswap token keeps adding every second, as you can see. So that's how the tab bot works. And I'm sure you want to get it because not every time you be online to start tapping, so the tab bot will be tapping for you. So now you want to come to task, click on leads. So as you keep tapping, you are going to meet some milestone. That's when you reach some of those milestones, you can click on claim and you are going to get some free coin. Like you see here, my next milestone, master, is 100,000 coin. So once this this purple line, once it gets filled, I'm going to click on this claim and I'm going to get 300,000 coin. Also, when you refer people, you are going to earn coin. Like you can see here, it says if I refer 25 people, I'm going to get 250,000 coin. And I've already referred like about 22 people. So when you get to 25, I'm going to get 250,000 coins. Now you don't need to get 25 friends for you to get the coin, because when I referred my first person, I got like 5,000 coin. When I referred 5 people, I got some free coins. When I referred 10 people, I got some free coin. And you can see it's when I get to 50, I'm also going to get some free coin. When I get to 100, I'm also going to get some free coin. So that's how it works, guys. So I guess the next thing you want to do is click on boost. Here in boost, you can see it says your daily boosters. Now, these daily boosters, you have tapping guru and you also have full tank. Now, what this tapping guru does is that when you click on the tapping guru, you get 3 every day. You get 3 every day. So when you click on it, it's going to multiply your tap by 5 for the next 25 seconds. So let's say as I'm tapping now, it's giving me 10. It's giving me a plus 10. Once I click on the tapping guru, it's going to give me a plus 50 for the next 20 seconds. You understand? Also, this full tank, you get 3 a day also. So the full tank, what it does is that when you've exhausted your tank, because as you are tapping, your tank is reducing. So maybe once you've exhausted your tank, you can come here, click on full tank, and it's going to refill your tank for free. You get 3 daily for that. So when you exhaust that, it's going to wait for the next 24 hours for you to be able to get 3 new full tank and tapping guru. All right, guys, I think that's all you need to know about this. It's quite simple. So if you meet Notcoin, I'm sure you don't want to miss this. Oh, one more thing. I think I didn't show you how you can get your referral link. All right, so get your referral link. All you need to do is come here, go back on the Tapswap bot. You click on the menu. You can see it says invite friend. When you click on this invite friend, yeah, you need to wait for maybe a few minutes or a few hours. It's going to take some time. Wait a bit and it's going to send you your referral link, which you can then send to your friends. And when they join using your referral link, you are going to get some free tokens as well. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you missed Notcoin, I'm sure you don't want to miss Tapswap. So make the best out of it. In the next 14 or 15 days, Tapswap is going to launch, which means you'll be able to convert your coins into cryptocurrency in your wallet. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video just like this one. See you in my next video.